Welcome to the Stir Fry Action channel. Look for our action and gaming videos. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to slap the bell and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for subscribing and enjoy the video.
We're doing like a Stir Fry. Darn, darn.
What's up, guys? Maren?
Good.
Come on to the camera, please. It's okay, guys. We're answering the question the world has been wanting to know forever. Who makes the best fast food chicken nuggets / tenders? So we'll be going to 5 different fast food places: Chick-Fil-A, Dairy Queen, Arby's, McDonald's, and Wendy's to see who has the best chicken nuggets / tenders. Thank you, guys. Thank you for Jester and Too Hype for inspiring us to do this video. And so we're Chick-Fil-A right in the kitchen, so we're gonna get that set up and be right back with the Chick-Fil-A. So peace for now. Okay, guys. So these are the score sheets right here. So we're rating from looks 1 to 5, taste 1 to 10, sauce 1 to 3, seasoning 1 to 5, and total 4 out of 23. The least you can get is 4, and the most you can get is 23. And we will be going to, as you can see, right there.
They're not in the order of the
obviously, because we brought Chick-Fil-A to the house because it's not close to the other places. Dairy Queen is pretty close to our house, so
but the other places
maybe it's like 2 or so minutes.
Yeah, so
sorry, guys, you can't see it. Oh, gosh, sorry. Because I don't want to bend down. And so, yeah, these are what the score sheets look like. They're Maren. Also, guys, we use the Microsoft Excel to make these. So if you want to make your own score sheets and do this, I'll do some fast food places, some fast food, and just some categories, I guess is what it's called. Right. And that's how you make it. So we'll see you with Chick-Fil-A. Peace.
Chick-Fil-A.
This is the who makes the best Chick-Fil-A nuggets. So this is the box. We dumped out the nuggets and we ate a couple before we started. So yeah. And so, what's your nugget?
My nugget, guys.
It's my chicken nugget right here, guys.
Chick-Fil-A nugget.
Well, what's the first? No, you guys have to look at the presentation. The presentation.
Probably 2 minutes.
Oh, I already wrote the presentation down, so I give mine a 3.
I gave it a 2. It's just a white box.
Taste?
I gave it a 9.
I'm giving it a 9 on taste. That's good.
Because that's because I dipped in the sauce.
No, I have to do the sauce now.
Alright, I'll do the sauce. I'll put this little piece in the sauce.
Alright.
I give my sauce a 2 because you have the regular sauce.
I'm giving that sauce
The
a 1.
seasoning I gave a 2, and the total was 17.
But, okay. I give seasoning a 4.
Seasoning, I gave it a 4. That's pretty good.
Yeah,
I gave it a 2.
My total is 16.
My total is
17.
So,
Okay.
we got the others, we can go. Cool. I'm gonna wrap up quick.
17. 20.
32.
Yep. Plus
We have 49 as everybody's score combined is.
49. Okay. Are you dividing that by 3 for an average?
Let's divide by 3, guys, we can get an average.
Mr. Keppel, we're doing math, buddy.
So you have a third, so I guess 18.33. So you have a third left over. Yeah.
It can't be 18.33. That can't be. Bad math.
No, it's not bad. Okay.
The highest score was 17, and he had 216, so it has to be less than 17. Can't be 18.
Yeah, you can't get 18. It's actually 16.33.
16.33 is our average.
Okay, there, I got that.
So average score.
Chick-Fil-A's final score was 49 out of what?
No, the final score is 16.33, and the average score.
No, but what's the final score for the end?
No,
that is the final.
That is the final score. We average it off, everybody's combined.
Right, you average it.
So it's 18 point.
16.
Sorry, 16.33 out of 23, I think. So we'll see you guys with Dairy Queen. Peace. We out for a little bit. The Golden Arches. Guys, so the next place is McDonald's, the Golden Arches. We have McDonald's and the 4-piece chicken nugget meal right there. So we're gonna reheat them and we're gonna pause, so we'll be right back. Peace out for now. Okay guys, here's my chicken nugget with the ranch. We can only get one sauce, which we chose ranch, and so King and Dad have a Sweet Baby Ray's container, which is not actually McDonald's sauce.
McDonald's barbecue's not very good, that's why.
Right. You don't like
I don't like McDonald's barbecue, so.
So guys, on my list, we had to change around McDonald's to King. So
But we'll just show up the 2 nuggets.
let's just move the Arby's bag, you guys.
Too many bags.
The looks, I'm giving the looks a 3. I'll give the looks.
The
I feel
looks?
like the looks get a 2.
We can't really see you very well.
It's a little more
We can do
plastic.
fine.
2.
We
The
can do that,
taste,
guys.
let's taste it.
But then, I'm gonna give the looks to McDonald's.
I'm gonna give it an 8 for taste.
It's
Stop!
just a box, so I'm gonna give it I'm just gonna give it a 1. It's just a box, and the rest I'm gonna give you 1.
I'm hot.
Let's taste that coin first.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Not a lot of seasoning, I don't think.
No, here's like.
I'm gonna give the sauce.
I'll give the taste a 6.
I'll give the sauce a 2. The seasoning is definitely a 2.
Seasoning's yeah.
It's definitely a 2.
Seasoning's not
Yeah,
it.
that's 2.
Seasoning's not it.
And my total is
My nugget barbecue.
10, well, 14. It didn't
Not bad.
win, but
My total was a 10. That was not good compared to.
I
it
know.
was really good though.
I'm good at averages. Also have 7, 9, I have 11. What do you have?
14.
What do you have? 10.
10. We liked it, 14.
We have a total of 35. Now we're going to 35 divided by 3.
Mm-hmm.
It was pretty classic, but it was also pretty good too.
Well, it was kind of classic, but we've improved on chicken nuggets these days. They need to improve those.
We're gonna do Wendy's now. Wendy's now.
I'm going to do it again.
Should
No,
be
I knocked it down
just
to
short of
12.
12. Should just be short of 12, right? Okay. Give me that.
We got spice.
We got spicy too.
Okay, pretty good.
Oh.
What's 2 divided by 3? 11 point something.
Oh guys, here are the Wendy's nuggets.
I
Oh, we didn't do the Wendy's montage. We'll do that.
166.
These are the regular
Yeah, it's
nuggets,
like-
and these are the
right,
spicy
exactly.
nuggets.
6.
So,
11.66,
guys,
right.
we're gonna do the montage. We're gonna pause, and we're gonna do the montage real quick. So we out. Okay, guys. So we got original and spicy. Do we have ranch?
Yeah, I think so.
We better go.
There you go, ranch.
I want a little bit.
Everyone has to have a spicy and an original. There's my original and.
I think it's fine. You can hit that now.
You gotta have both. This is my
I need
original.
2
and this is
Wendy's
my
calls.
spicy.
I need a Wendy's regular or rose and a Wendy's spicy.
No.
No, we're not doing it.
That's how I'm doing it.
We were planning on 2.
Did you get it here? Is it spicy? You want a spicy? Do you need these to heat at all?
I'm gonna make a call
No.
for the spicy and regular.
Can you make a call for me? Thank you.
Take
Guys, let me show you something
Yes,
a little
roast
weird
it.
about Wendy's ranch.
I'm gonna give you a regular one.
This is more white for McDonald's, and this is more yellow for Wendy's. I was gonna say
They
Wendy's
look
is
different,
more butter.
but-
Wendy's is more buttermilk than McDonald's.
Well, when for the regular first?
So the regular chicken. Everyone go regular first.
Oh, and I got the sriracha sauce too,
Pretty good.
which I know the sriracha sauce is good.
Well, I have to try plain.
Okay, so what do we do? Plain first?
I'll give the lux a.
I'm gonna give the looks. I'm gonna give the looks a 1. It's in the box.
I put my McDonald's in my Wendy's.
Okay.
Reverse some. Taste 7. Pretty good. Not a good Chick-Fil-A. Chick-Fil-A.
And there, this is your
For
look.
sure. Chick-Fil-A.
Look, this is
The
your
seasoning,
Wendy's regular.
Probably 3.
This is your Wendy's
Pretty
spicy
good.
at the bottom. Okay.
So my
It's
Wendy's.
in between McDonald's and Chick-Fil-A.
Where's my Wendy's at?
I'm gonna go.
Now I want your
Is
sauce.
my Wendy's?
And it's the wrong sauce.
Deluxe? We'll give Deluxe a 2. Pretty.
No, I know
The
this.
taste, I'll give the taste an 8. The sauce, with the sauce, I tried it with the sauce, and I'll give it a 2 on
15.
that one.
I like that sriracha sauce.
I'll give the seasoning a 3.
15 for Wendy's.
The seasoning is definitely
The
better.
regular.
And the total is
Regular.
8, 11, let me count mine. 8, 10, 15.
I
I
have
had
15.
13 for the regular Wendy's.
Okay, I'm gonna add multiple.
Now I'm gonna do this. Did you try your spicy yet?
No.
So I'm gonna try my. Well, to look at the spicy in the container, I'm also gonna give it a 2
Let
as
me
well.
average it off real quick.
The taste, I didn't taste.
I like
Let's taste it.
14.33 for regular Wendy's.
Okay.
I'll give the taste a 7. It's just a little too spicy for me.
Let me try the spicy one. Yeah, I can feel that one.
I'll go there.
Try this one.
It's actually more flavorful than the regular one, but it's spicy now.
It's a 2 with the sauce. It's okay.
I'll get the presentation. I just
The
want to
seasoning's
spicy.
definitely
Very spicy.
a 2.
Well, you got that sauce to it.
Totally.
Good.
I'm gonna give the taste I'm gonna say it's 7.5 because it's spicy, which makes it pretty good.
9.
Seasoning is definitely a 4 right there. It's
13.
spicy.
That's my lowest so far. 13.
Give it the sauce. It's amazing, the sauce. So.
16. I tied Chick-Fil-A on mine.
13. Mine was 13.
That's because of the
Whoa!
sauce.
15.5 for Wendy's spicy.
We're gonna do the montage. We're gonna keep filming.
That sriracha sauce is good.
What did you give, bro?
16. I like that spicy.
Arby's, we
Good
have the
flavor.
meats.
Yeah, let me add them up.
Arby's, we have the meats.
Yeah, let me add them up.
We got Arby's now, you guys. Let's see what's popping at Arby's.
Popping Arby's.
Whoa! Look at those tenders.
Lost one.
Oh, sorry. Here's our tenders. These are tender slash nuggets.
Well, you got 2 ranch.
I'll take 1 ranch.
And you got a barbecue. So let me have a little bit of barbecue sauce on my plate.
Here's the tenders.
Is it 14.83?
Okay.
That's not the
I
best.
think it is.
The tenders are. The looks of
Isn't
the
it? What
tenders
you ask?
are definitely a 2.
Finish this real quick.
The taste. Wow, tender.
It was tender. It was very tender.
So that looks pretty good.
9.
No, no. We have.
She got a 9. I might have a small little tender, but what's up with that? Ooh, I got a little curly fried bonus though. Oh, you got a little bonus.
So, presentation on this. 2. Guys, number 1.
Arby's.
2. What's a minute? I'm gonna
Little
try.
Arby's. The looks.
I'm really taste. I taste the logo.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 2. Everybody kind of gets the same. Like, taste.
Sorry.
I'm in 7.
Definitely a 3.
I'm gonna give you a 5 on that.
Seasoning's good. I'll give seasoning a 3 like Wendy's. Wendy's regular.
Oh
No,
no,
look at that
17! 17! We
How's the
tied
barbecue?
Chick-Fil-A.
Something like that.
We tied Chick-Fil-A.
Okay.
We tied with Chick-Fil-A.
It's done.
I just tied Chick-Fil-A.
I like that barbecue better than Chick-fil-A's barbecue.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A's better.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I'm good to I'm gonna give sauce a 1 that time.
Seasoning.
I was on 3.
I'm gonna give it a 3 for seasoning.
I love food too.
Mine tied with Chick-Fil-A.
9, 10, 13.
13 for me.
17.
Whoa, 17. You really like that one.
13 my lowest. 13 my lowest. I can draw this lower. What did you get?
I got 17.
What did you get?
13.
That was definitely wrong. So guys, that will be it for today because we're not Dairy Queen right now.
14.33.
We could go with it. We could just rate these ones. You got 5.
No. We're doing Dairy Queen tomorrow. And so we hope you guys liked today's video. We'll be seeing you guys again tomorrow for the Dairy Queen. And so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. We out for today, y'all. So we're back. I accidentally had my Arby's tender with the thong. Yeah, Wendy's ranch. So I need the last little bite.
Last little bite.
Not trying to spread the Arby's bet.
I didn't bite that. You did.
Guys, after we do that, wait for Arby's.
Well, maybe we'll have to see. Maren might like the sauce better, and that might kick it up.
So I'm gonna get a big rice in case I choose that much.
Just wait. It may not change.
What do you give the sauce now?
Same.
Same.
Okay, then I'll average it the same, guys. So yeah. So we'll
See you guys tomorrow. Peace be out for today.
Happy taste
I'll take the milkshake.
Dairy Queen.
I was like, I'll big.
Okay, guys, so we have Dairy Queen right here. We have fries, chicken tenders, and toast, because they actually gives toast. And we have ranch and barbecue in here as well.
Give us sheets, broken it down.
I think this might be a new Hidden Valley that they just released.
We can't wait to see you.
I'm a rabbit tender.
Which one is see you? Bo, can you scoot in?
You can't eat any other sides on camera. You have to just go with your original.
I'll get a pencil for you.
Barbecue.
Yes.
Dairy Q barbecue.
Nice portion.
Kind of tough to see you, bro. It's kind of tough to see. We can see a little bit of you.
Oh, I didn't even move
You
over.
need to move up a little bit into the shot a little bit. I need to move into the shot a little bit as well. We don't know who's to show anything on this one. Okay, so we're not.
I mean, I'll give them a couple plus points because they did give us toast and fries we didn't ask for. So I'm gonna give the looks. I'm gonna give the looks a 4 because they did add a couple.
I'm gonna give the
taste. Let's taste the taste.
Okay, so there's a.
I gotta taste it.
Let me borrow your pencil so I can keep up. Okay, Dairy Queen. The looks. I'm gonna stay consistent. Pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 2.
Okay.
Taste a little piece without any taste.
I'm gonna give it 9. It's good.
That's pretty good.
The sauce.
It's better than you expect, so. Yeah, I have to give it.
That's nice white meat in there. That's pretty tasty.
I'm about to give that a 7 Chick-Fil-A on the taste. And 8 as well.
The ranch is
We
okay.
need to do sauce now. Let me just
Go 7 on that.
The ranch isn't the best.
Let me flip it over and taste the little dip here.
I love it, though.
I'm gonna give the sauce a 2. The ranch is okay. It's not the best. The seasoning, I'll give that a 2.
Didn't have to wait.
Let me borrow your pencil. I like that sauce. I'm gonna give that sauce.
The sauce is not bad. It's not that
I'll
good.
give it a 3.
Well, what did you get? 15?
I like that
I'm
sauce.
adding
It's good barbecue. Seasoning.
16.
Okay,
I'll give it a 3.
I'm still gonna eat it. I mean, the ranch.
Maybe I'll give it a 3.5. So my total is 10.
I thought the ranch was gonna be like so good.
15.5. So for me, that's the.
I
That
think
came in third
their
on my.
sauce. I wasn't gonna give their sauce a 1 because that's not like
Nice.
nice.
Your mouth, guys.
But like, it's not the best ranch either.
Yeah, top right here.
It's pretty good. It's still good. That was
Well-
my favorite.
After you figure out this one, let's go around the table and talk about which one we thought was our best, our favorite, and our least favorite. Then we'll do the reveal.
Wait, what happened if we have multiple favorites?
You can just say which ones are tied.
It looked like the average 15.5. Can you check the math and if we got the right average?
15.5 on that average.
A little bit over 15.5. There are 16 or 15 over 15.5.
The ranch is. I don't know why I keep saying that, but I
Yep.
think.
That looks right.
So,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, so what was your favorite, Maren?
So the ones I have.
Well, how about this? Let's go by category.
We have
Let's
to.
do 3
And
categories.
we need a total score for all of them.
All right, let's just do 2 categories. Let's do taste and sauces, and then your favorite. So what was the thing you thought? Which one tastes the best?
Well, I had Dairy Queen, Arby's, and Chick-Fil-A.
And what did you give the score? What was your score?
Chick-fil-A
Just
was
for taste.
17.
No, just for taste.
9.
They all got
They all
9s?
9.
All got
That's
9.
right.
So yeah, what about you? What was your favorite?
That's
Taste.
why. And you got 1 high for 8.
You got 8 for Chick-fil-A and Dairy Queen. I had Chick-Fil-A at 9, and then I had Dairy Queen and Wendy's Spices at 7. My least tasty one was McDonald's.
Agreed.
My least tasty one was Wendy's Spicy.
Okay. Now, what was your favorite sauce?
My favorite sauce was definitely the Chick-Fil-A, the Chick-Fil-A or McDonald's.
Ranch is what you had, right? What did you have?
Fuck, that was a bit of a probably.
I like the Wendy's sriracha sauce, the creamy sriracha. I thought that was really
You
good.
got that Chick-Fil-A.
And I like this barbecue from Dairy Queen. It was smoky. It was good. It was thick too. It wasn't running like that Chick-fil-A one. That was
Chick-Fil-A
the
one,
worst.
the conditioning was not the greatest.
This one
Okay,
tasted
so-
a little weird for the sauce. It was a little thick. Like, it wasn't like Chick-fil-A where it's like all like easy to stick your nuggets.
These ones
Like
like
the-
so your favorite tasting one we said was a tie. Right? Okay, so what was your favorite overall with all the categories?
What do you do?
The one that got the highest total score.
Well,
Oh,
mine were Chick-fil-A and Arby's.
And what was their score?
17.
17 for Chick-fil-A and
17.
Arby's.
16 Chick-fil-A first.
I had Chick-fil-A at 16 and Wendy's Spicy at 16. With that Dairy Queen coming in
Ah.
close to 15 and a half.
Alright, so,
Okay, so now let's talk about the totals. What was,
average.
you go to last, what one came in last?
In last place,
Last place you have a score of what?
11.66, we have McDonald's.
Ooh, 11.66. Out of
They were really
23.
good. They were really good.
In second to last place, we
Okay.
have Wendy's Original and Arby's coming in.
They tied?
Yup,
Wait, yeah.
coming in fourth and fifth.
All right, fourth and fifth
Third.
tied together.
We have Wendy's Spicy with
Wendy's Spicy,
14.83.
What came third?
Wendy's Spicy. Second place, we have Dairy Queen. And first place is Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, first
Chick-fil-A
place.
is the winner.
Chick-fil-A is the
We all
winner.
predicted Chick-fil-A, so that was our final winner.
But you gotta
Dairy
say,
Queen's ranches.
Dairy Queen and Arby's did it surprisingly well.
I Dairy Queen's.
And so, guys,
Arby's.
hope you guys like this video. If you smash that like button, well, share some good. Bye. Peace. We out.